It would not be out of word to talk about birds in the midst of natural beauty. Their sweet songs coming from the valleys and mountains truly captivate everyone. And if they show us this, we feel great joy. We make them adorn our cameras. Today, a few such birds are at your service.
You are watching 2K Wild Harit Presenter, Wildlife Channel.
Orange-fronted leafbird. They are known for their vibrant green plumage and distinctive orange forehead patch. The bird found in southern Asia. Its sound is so sweet and live in semi-dry dense forest. Alexandrian parrots. They are known for their green plumage, pink head and black neck wings. Alexandrian parrots are native to South Asia, including Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. They feed on fruits, seeds and flowers. Vernal hanging parrots. These parakeets are small in size, bright green plumage with a red tail tip and orange beak. Often this type of parakeets found in forest and wooded area. Vernal hanging parrots are native to parts of South Asia, including India, Bangladesh and Southeast Asia. Feed on fruits, seeds and flower bud. It's a small parrot which is a resident breeder in the Indian subcontinent and some other areas. Vernal hanging parrots nest in tree captivate. The nests are lined with fragments of leaves. There are usually 3 eggs in a clutch. The eggs are white in color. The female incubates the egg for 20 days and the chicks leave the nest about 33 days from the hatching. That's all for now from the world of beautiful and charming birds. Hope you liked my wildlife report on it. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for the time. Goodbye.